Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Amanda. And if you can relate to mom life and makeup, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below because that's just what this channel is all about. That's what my life is all about. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing and trying on the Falscara, the new way to lash, KISS Falsies. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I ordered these lashes off of Amazon. You can buy them at the drugstore. I saw them at Walmart the other day. They were a little bit cheaper at Walmart. So you're supposed to put these lashes underneath your natural lashes to make them look more realistic and to just bring more volume to your lashes. And if you can't tell, I need it. So I already obviously have my face on, and we're just going to test these out today and try these on and see if I can do it. So let's go ahead and try these out. So this says if you can mascara, you can Falscara. So pretty much anybody can do it. We're about to take the test to see because I'm not the best with lashes, period. And so let's see if I can place them underneath. It says brush on bond. Place wisps underneath, lock in with a seal. Wisps are designed with a micro band and feather light fibers to be applied easily, seamlessly, and comfortably underneath the natural lash. Infused with biotin, bond is non-damaging and primes the natural lashes to prep them for wisps. Seal. Formulated with nourishing vitamin E, seal removes any tacky residue and locks the wisp in place for an all-day wear. Then you have your applicator. So let's open this bad boy up here. And so this is what you get. You get your lashes, which come in like little individual sets. You have this Falscara, and it has bond with biotin, and then the seal with the vitamin E. Oh, and then you get these little applicators. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. It's best that we read the instructions. Step 1. Bonding time. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Ooh, it's a little... Well, I don't like this. I don't like the smell. Brush a light coat on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. I am doing a nice light coat. I don't know if anything is actually happening. Is it supposed to be watery? Because it's not. It is sticking my eyelashes together, that's for sure. Maybe I should do one lash at a time. Okay, we're gonna do that because this is sticking my eyelashes together. Okay, step 2. Wisp under lashes. Use the included Falscara applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray as shown. Ah, it is so stuck. Pick up a wisp from the middle outer end for optimal control and application. One by one, gently place the wisp underneath the lashes of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. Alright, that was a lot to take in, so that came off so easily. And I just like stick it right underneath there. Okay, I don't know if my thing is gonna stick now because my kids have lost control. Is what is happening here. How do I do this? Wait, did that work? Is it on there? I think it actually worked. I think it actually worked. Okay, let's keep going. Oh my. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's try this next one. Eyelashes are stuck together. It drives me nuts. I need to like a magnifying. Oh, I do have a magnifying. Oh, but y'all can't see. What? Are you kidding me? What's happening? Oh, nope. That came off. You flipped around on me, sir. How is that even working? Are you kidding? And they're comfortable. Oh my god. I touched my eyeball with that one. So it's a learning curve, that's for sure. I didn't put on mascara because I wasn't sure if I was supposed to. So I'm gonna try one more, and I think that one more is gonna be enough for me. So they come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. My gosh, does this actually work? And they look real? That's so crazy. And then it's not that hard. It's a learning curve, but you know, we got through it. I went to focus my camera and I accidentally stopped it. But they're so cool. Oh, these are so much better and so much easier to apply than actual falsies. Where's my instructions? All right, step 3, seal the deal. Dab on a thin coat of seal under wisp. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds Falscara wisp in place. So bond, and then we need the seal with vitamin E. It's on the other side. I don't know, I don't think I should put on like mascara at the top then. If I was, I should have done it earlier, but you don't really need to. That's crazy. Now, how do they stay? Do they stay a lot? Oh, so they have pro tips. A pro tip, apply wisp starting from the outer corner of lash line working inwards, or vice versa. Be sure to place wisps right next to each other for a seamless look. If needed, use the applicator or your fingers to squeeze the wisp against your natural lashes. This helps the wisp adhere for a more secure hold. And yeah, that's this little seal stuff. It really did help my lash right here stop sticking. So that is really, really cool. I did not think this was gonna work. All right, let's do the other side. So James Bond first. Now it's time to wisp away. So the most annoying thing about this is that if you don't act quick, all your lashes get stuck together, and I cannot at all see. Alright, that one took me a minute, but we got it there. You really cannot feel these at all. Oh my god. Alright, let's seal the deal. I'm gonna put on some mascara on my bottom lashes and then we will come back and talk. Okay, you guys, I honestly thought that this was going to be a fail. I had no hope for these. That's so sad to say. So my final thoughts of the KISS Falscara lashes. I absolutely love them, and I thought I was going to hate them. I thought they were going to be a fail, just like the magnetic lashes were. You would think that putting lashes underneath your actual lash line, it would hurt, it would be irritating and hard and annoying and all those negative things, but it's really not. You can't feel them. It was so easy to put on. There is a learning curve. Let me just make that clear. There's a learning curve because it's not really natural to stick them underneath, but once you get them under there and you kind of like use the little like applicator to kind of just pinch them onto your actual lashes, it's amazing. And then the second you stick on the sealing part here, it takes away all of that annoying stickiness. That was my only issue, was the bonding agent is very sticky. So the second you stick it on, your lashes start sticking together, your natural lashes start sticking together, but it holds it up so well. I'm super impressed. If you're wanting to try false lashes, I think this Falscara, as crazy as it sounds, is much, much easier than placing an entire band above your lashes. And sometimes that comes, that will come up. So I don't know how these will work. I will do an Instagram story today at the end of the day. I'm not doing anything, but I'll probably just be editing this video, honestly, so I can try to hopefully get it up on time for you guys. Because I am filming this on Tuesday, which to you guys is yesterday. So my schedule has just been so crazy, but yeah, I'm 100% amazed. I'm shocked. I did not think this was gonna work, so this blows my mind a little bit. And the fact that I can't feel them and they look so real and nice. Like when you look down, you don't have that ugly little line there. You just look, people are gonna be like, whoa, what happened to you? How'd you get those lashes? that's it for this video. Let me know what you think. Are you guys gonna try the Falscara mascara? Falscara? Because it's not really mascara. My face really hurts. Are you gonna try it out? What did you think? Did you think it was... Did I make it look easy? I probably made it look so hard, but it really is not hard at all. It is a learning curve, yes, but once you get it on there, you can have this done probably in like 2 minutes maybe or less. I don't know. All right, everyone, that is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. I do post videos every Wednesday at 10 a.m. EST, or at least I try. You know, the whole mom life thing gets in the way sometimes and I can't get it out there right at 10 o'clock, but it will. They do post on Wednesdays. My goal is every Wednesday at 10 a.m. EST. So that is all. I hope you are having a wonderful Wednesday. I hope you're not too bored, and I hope all of you are safe and sound in your homes. That is all for this week's video. Until next time, bye.
Bye.
Bonding. Okay, anyway, we need to do this number so it doesn't stay together. When you have eyelashes, they usually don't do that. You guys, my dogs are driving me nuts. Like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Oh, you guys, my dog dropped the camera on my face and it hurts.